The Last Samurai wasn't Tom Cruise, the real story of Saigo Takamori. You've probably seen The Last Samurai, Hollywood's dramatic take starring Tom Cruise. But here's the truth. The real Last Samurai wasn't American. His name was Saigo Takamori, and his story is far more tragic, honorable, and real than anything Hollywood could imagine. Born in Kagoshima, Japan in 1828, Saigo came from humble beginnings. He wasn't born into power. He earned it, rising through the ranks during a time when Japan was teetering between isolation and modernization. Saigo became a fierce warrior and an even fiercer believer in Bushido, the way of the samurai. But what made him a national hero was his unshakable loyalty to his people, even when it meant turning against the emperor he once served. In the 1860s, Saigo helped overthrow the shogunate and restore imperial rule. He believed Japan could modernize without abandoning its soul. But the new Meiji government, backed by Western arms, railroads, and politics, began crushing the samurai class. The traditions, the honor, the very existence of the samurai were outlawed. To Saigo, this wasn't modernization, it was betrayal. In 1877, Saigo made a choice. He gathered around 20,000 samurai from his home province of Satsuma. Outnumbered, outgunned, and outdated, but not broken. They marched against the emperor's modern army, not to conquer, but to die with honor. September 24, 1877, the Battle of Shiroyama became Saigo's last stand. Surrounded by 30,000 imperial troops, Saigo's 500 remaining warriors refused to surrender. He was shot in battle, but some accounts claim he committed seppuku, ritual suicide, to die as a true samurai. His body was found kneeling, sword in hand, a final act of defiance. Saigo Takamori didn't fight to preserve the past. He fought to preserve Japan's honor. Today, he's revered as a symbol of loyalty and bravery. In 1891, the same government that defeated him erected a statue in his honor in Tokyo's Ueno Park. The irony? They tried to erase the samurai, but ended up immortalizing the last one. Tom Cruise played the part, but Saigo Takamori lived the legend, and his story didn't end in Hollywood. It echoed through the soul of a nation. Want more forgotten warriors, secret rebellions, and real history Hollywood won't touch? Hit that subscribe button. This is just the beginning.